Hey guys, this is Ashika Singh, a student of SRMAP BTech Computer Science, and today I'll be showing you my campus and a glimpse of our life here. Wanna know where I'm standing at? I'm standing in front of the academic block. So for the first time in many years, I woke up at 5 in the morning, got dressed up just to shoot this vlog. So please appreciate my effort, guys. So here we have two buildings. One is the administrative building, which is also called the Homi J. Baba block. And the second one is the academic building, also known as the Vikram Sarabhai block. So here all our classes and lab work are conducted. So let's check out what's inside this. So this is the academic block, and as soon as we enter this block, we have the grand stairs where people usually sit during lunch recess or while bunking their classes, but that's none of our business. So now I'm sitting at the second floor of the academic building. So here we have our classes and labs and everything, but I don't think people are interested in academics. So let's get on to sports. So from here we can have a view of our badminton court. This is the only place in the entire college where you can find people any time of the day. So this is the place where our classes are conducted. So this is one of the rarest times where you'll find me sitting on the first bench. So let's have a look around the class. We have a digital board as well as a whiteboard over here. Let's see what's written. Several variable calculus. Guys, okay, this is terrifying. We have to get out of the class right now. So now we're sitting at the 5th floor of the academic building in the cafeteria. So in the afternoon, it's really crowded because the day scholars have their lunch over here and a few people play Free Fire. So from this place, we can get a very nice view of the college. Let's have a look. So this is the Ganga hostel and this is the Vedavati hostel. Both of them are boys hostel. And now have a look of the surrounding areas. You may not see this again if you do not join this campus, guys, I'm telling you. So as you can see, this is the other side of the cafeteria from where the girls hostel can be seen, and here also there's a wonderful sitting area. So now let me tell you guys about the Annapurna mess. So this is a girls mess and it has a centralized kitchen where the food is prepared and distributed to all other hostels. On the second floor of the Annapurna mess, we even have the international mess and the Jan mess. Welcome to the basketball court, guys. Have a look at it. Let's go to the other places, guys. So guys, now I'm in front of the boys hostels. So this is the Vedavati hostel. And this, oh my god, this is the Ganga hostel, which is the tallest building in the entire Vijayawada area. So as I'm a girl, I definitely cannot get inside this, but I'll definitely tell one of my guy friends to do it for me in the next vlog. So now we're in front of the X Lab, and inside this we have the APJ Abdul Kalam Auditorium, which is the main auditorium of the campus, where all the events and orientations takes place. So guys, now we are going to the CV Raman block. Let's go. So guys, now we are in the CV Raman block. Let's explore it. So I'm standing on the grand stairs of the CV Raman block, and just beside this is the newly opened cafe, Puzzle Bistro. Let's have a look. So guys, now we are in the basement of the CV Raman block, and here we have a unisex gym. Let's get into it. next location, guys. This is the SRM AP cafeteria, a place for great food and endless stories. So grab a friend, grab a plate and join the fun. Here we have Domino's, where the slices are cheesy, crust is crispy, and my bank account, it's a bit crusty too now, but who needs savings when you have pizza? Now we are at the biryani paradise, where the biryani is so popular it could run for class president and win. Alright, coming to academics. The classes here are intense, but hey, they say pressure makes diamonds, or at least students who can survive on 5 hours of sleep. Today I'll be giving you a real, unfiltered, slightly sleep-deprived tour of my life here at SRM AP. Ever wondered what actually happens on a campus besides classes? You're at the right place now. One thing you don't want to miss at SRM AP is the festivals. It's like every few weeks there's a reason to dress up, eat good food and dance like nobody's watching. I mean, they are watching, but hopefully they'll forget by the next week. And the clubs. We have got dance clubs, drama clubs, music clubs and what not. I joined a couple myself, mostly to make new friends, but also have an excuse to escape studying. Campus life is all about the people you meet. And let me tell you, SRM AP has it all. Here's my friend Tanmay. She's the reason I'm passing my exams because she somehow knows what's actually happening. Here's Khushi. Always late, but somehow always knows when the fun events are happening. Here's Nirali, the caffeine addict. She's 10% human and 90% coffee at this point. And let me tell you, I've met some amazing people here. And this campus has given me a lot. Honestly, SRM AP has given me way more than I expected. I've grown, met some amazing people, and learned that while college might not actually look like Student of the Year, it's definitely a mix of comedy and drama. And that's what makes it unforgettable, right? So that's my life in SRM AP. College life is an adventure full of ups, downs and ton of loves. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay awesome and I'll catch you later.